Saturday the 5th of January at approximately 4:30 am, we set off on a 250-mile journey to collect something that Alex had long lusted for. Witnessing the sunrise in the cold weather of winter, it certainly was going to be a long day, but with the excitement for Alex as well as myself, I'm sure it would soon fly.
I've just woke up from a sleep because we've been on the road since 4 am and Mr. Toon is kindly going to tell us now what we're actually doing today. Go ahead, mate.
We're on the way to Devon, mate.
Why are we on the way to Devon?
Because Tom Shoddock made me buy another Mini.
I didn't make him buy one.
No. Basically, I was looking at this Mini, right? And he was like, buy it. And he made me ring the guy and buy it without even looking at it.
Well, deposit, strictly speaking, until we see it. Sold subject to contract.
Subject to contract, subject to the Alex Toon inspection.
Yeah, but the reason he's bought this is, and I know people are like, you don't need free Minis and all this. This is different. What we're celebrating?
I've been in a wheelchair 5 years.
So you're treating yourself, aren't you, mate?
Treat myself to another Mini.
It's the way to do it. But I won't bore you with more driving shots. What we'll do is we'll spin the camera around, and when I check in with you, we'll be at Richard Williams Classics down in Devon, and hopefully we can look at some other cars that he's got, but the main focus strictly today is Alex's Mini. So I'll see you shortly. It is -3 in Devon, but that van is amazing. If anybody wants a mint Mini and is gonna buy something that they don't want to worry about, come and see this guy because he doesn't sell shit. Just look at some of these. This has had a two-tone paint job, which is a bit Marmite, but it's got a nice anthracite on the roof, which comes down and finishes there, but then it follows the window line. The interior has been done in like a perforated, sorry for about the lens glare there. It smells brand new, real leather as well. This is a very original Cooper. It's got the silver seats. So Steve, if you're watching this, mate, very similar to yours, I believe. Again, apologies for the lens flare. I've got the exposure set quite low. It's got the sunroof as well, which we'll have a look at. So it's got the full rag top. There's another very original Cooper. All these cars that are in here are absolutely split mint, and I mean like concourse. He's also got that Cooper out there, which is one of 100. It's one of them, and it's not number one, but it's one of 100. Again, immaculate. I actually asked Richard and said, where do you find them all? And he says he drives 60,000 miles a year just to get these cars here to sell on to collectors. And he's he's got about 14, but these at the minute, he's got some other places that are having a few little bits done to them, but they're immaculate. So if you're going to buy a Mini and you're going to buy something that you want to put your money in that you think is going to last, and you don't really have the capability to do a restoration, or you don't have the time, and Alex's 2,000 mile Mini came from here. So that is why we've come back, because Richard had this van and it was worth the 6-hour drive, put it that way. So Alex has gone for a spin in it now. When he comes back, I think it'll be eagle eye time, and time to settle the bill and get it on a trailer and head home up north, where we can capture some more cinematic shots. For now, let's have a look around these cars and see what nice angles we can capture.
Hang on a second, we need something a little more cinematic.
Right, I'm in the back of the minivan. Apologies if it's blurred, but we're about to do the drive-through. Hang on. Hello, Mr. 2. Hello?
Are you ready for Starbucks Part 3, mate?
Go, mate. Everything's recording. You order, and I'll pay.
You're paying and collecting?
Yeah, make sure the
Trailer's lined up with a window.
Right, stay on the phone.
Hang on. Oh, f***ing hell. Chill. Ah! Mate.
Mate, sorry about that.
Oh! Some guy's laughing, mate.
Right, what do you want?
Large latte, mate.
Afternoon, welcome to Starbucks drive-thru. Can I take your order?
Hi there, could I have a large latte, please?
Yeah, would you like it?
No, thank you.
Okay, let's take your order.
Yeah. Make sure I'm lined up.
Mate, I'm very much right, she's looking there.
I'm paying for that.
Say $7.50, please. Put your receipt.
Yeah, please.
There you go.
Thank you. Got any sugars, Alex?
No, mate.
No. Oh my god, this is the most f***ing weird thing I've ever done in my life. She's not finding this funny.
We drove past and she was like, honestly, crackers.
Okay, have
See
a
you
nice
later.
night.
See ya. Go. Go. Oh, shit. Oh, I don't want to spill these on his carpet, guys. She was not happy with that at all. She was awkward. I think we need to do Woodall services next time. Whoa! You doing? You just nearly killed me. Right, for all you hardcore TCR watchers, you'll be wondering where's the drone footage in this video of the journey home. We had to prioritise because it is winter. It goes dark at 4 o'clock and it's now 10:02 and we're not even near the nice country roads where we can get some good shots. So we had to prioritise and get what we thought was going to be best for the video, which of course was the Starbucks part 3,
Part
3
Part
even.
3, mate. 3 times we've done this now.
3 times.
Everyone's
So
probably getting bored of this now, but do you know what? We're going to still do it, and if you don't like watching it, then
be seeing you.
seeing you.
But we have to christen a car that way, so she was a bit shocked and I don't think
But
she
this
was
was a
that.
different style
Yeah.
of Starbucks drive-thru. It wasn't in the passenger seat, wasn't in the driver's seat.
Yeah.
It was somewhere else.
And we don't talk money, but if people knew how much that car cost, they'd realise how much this video has cost to make, wouldn't they?
This guy is making money off my expense.
Yeah, but he knows that when we make it big and you come to the big gatherings of TCR when it's big one day, we're going to repay him. We'll get him up on stage.
I've been sat in this van since 4:30, and he's boring me, mate.
Well, this is what I'm saying to you. It was dark when we set off and it's dark now, so we can't get the drone shot. So what we're going to do is we're going to get home, we're going to get in the garage, show you around this car in the light, and then when everything's been done, we're going to go to the hand control place, get it all adapted, because you're going to see the first Mini, which we believe in the world.
World's first.
The world's first, which we
Right
believe,
here.
don't quote us on it, but we believe, we've done a bit of research and we can't find anything online. It'll be the world's first Mini with an automatic clutch in a manual Mini. And we're going to demonstrate that, aren't we?
And it's going to be chaos.
And then is when the drone shots will be coming about. So for now, let's shut up and get on home because I'm sick of being in this van. Are you?
Yeah, mate.
Right, guys, you join me at the edge of a lake with a wee rooster. Let's have a look at that little rooster. Cockerel, even. Cockerel, there. But it is the end of the episode. It is outside. This episode was filmed months and months ago. Apologies for the rain landing on the lens. I'm just going to say there is another video coming in Alex's van on how he drives a manual without the use of his legs. That is all covered, but I've just been behind on the editing. So what I will say is, thank you very much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. There will be more videos coming soon, but I have been stuck for time with things going on in my personal life. But yeah, I appreciate all your support and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.